Hey guys, welcome back. So this weekend I've completely run out of time to do anything. So what I'm gonna do in this short video is go ahead and get this prepped. I'm gonna pull the throttle body, you see. So the throttle position sensor actually has a code, so we're gonna be working on that. I'm gonna go ahead and prep for the front main seal. I'm gonna get the fan removed, the fan shroud removed, possibly coolant, well, coolant tank's gotta come out in order to get the fan shroud out. So we're gonna get all that removed and see how quick, if we can even get the seal out tonight. Like I said, it's pretty late at night. It's a little bit after 11. Yeah, so we're gonna be working on this thing. So let's get this thing prepped, and maybe next weekend we can finish the seal project. It seems like it's taken me forever. But anyway, there's not really a whole lot to it. But yeah, we're gonna take the throttle body off. We're going to take the fan shroud and the fan off and serpentine belt, and then if I have enough time or if I feel like it, I'm going to go ahead and pop that seal out. Alright, so let's go ahead and work on getting the upper intake tube loose and work on getting the throttle body out. Oh, that was kind of loose. So, let's see. Hey, look at that camera. Yeah. Alright. So you can see it's just a ball. It just slides on. This just slides off. It's supposed to. There it goes. As you can see, that just clips on that way. Ta-da! Same thing here on the throttle return spring. If you can keep it from moving. There we go. And put this in place. You don't want to lose it. All right, so let's work on getting the bolts out of the throttle body, and then we'll pick that up, see what we're doing on the back side, and we'll pull that pick. 4 10mm bolts in each corner of this, and then a couple connections, and she's off. Yeah, it should just pick straight up. Yep. All right, got all 4 of them. Yep, there she goes, she's loose. There we go. Sometimes people, have really crappy idle, and they don't realize this. See how black that throttle body is? The throttle body needs service just like anything else. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the idle air control motor, throttle position sensor, your map, take that off, and we're going to douse this down and get it nice and clean. Okay guys, you can see how easy it is to get that throttle body off. Now what you're left with is a giant gaping hole right here. You don't want anything falling down in that. So take yourself a rag and throw it down in there. Sand, dirt, bolts. Oh my God. Yeah, you're in real trouble if you have a bolt fall down in there, because it ain't gonna stop in the intake manifold. It's gonna keep going. So anyway, let me get a rag, plug that hole, and I'll explain to you what's going on with the throttle body and why we took it off. I don't know if you guys saw the other video. Once I got done power washing, it threw a code. So I was like, maybe water got into something and caused a code. But anyway, I think what it was a failing old throttle position sensor. We're gonna get that changed out. We're gonna see what the other sensors look like, see if they're in good shape, clean them up and get those put on. But that's a different project. Right now I just wanted to get it tore off and get it ready to put new sensors on it and clean it. And real project is getting the fan off, getting the fan shroud off, and getting that front main seal out. So bear with me here. I'm gonna do some off-camera stuff. I'll bring you back once I'm in a good position to show you guys what's going on. Here guys, so check it out. So these are the tools that you're gonna need to get your fan clutch that's attached to your fan loose. See that big nut right there? You got to get that loose. And in one of the Bleeping Jeep videos where I was helping Matt with the forward control, you can see we were trying to chisel it off because we didn't have the right tools. Well, I left these at home. These are the ones that you need. This is SP Tools 61600 and Blue Point YA 95217. So you can see it's double-ended. This is made for, you know, various vehicles. You take this guy and you put it on the giant nut, all right, like so. And then you take this, you can see how it has a special end on it. So one of the nuts and for your water pump pulley, you catch it with that, like so. And you can hold the fan pulley while you loosen the nut for your fan. So they're fairly inexpensive tools, but they sit around a lot, but they're there when you need them, like stuff like this. So I'm so glad I bought this stuff. So glad it's been rolling around in the back of my Gladiator for 2 weeks. Should have had this done last weekend, but like I said, this is the first time I've had a chance to get out here and do this stuff after degreasing the engine. So we're gonna go ahead and get the fan pulled. The fan shroud's already off. It's only 4 nuts that holds it on. Super easy. So we're gonna get that stuff out of there, and then we're gonna possibly pull the radiator because I need as much room as I possibly can get down here on the Harmonic balancer to get it off to get the seal out. So anyway, I got pulled that upper hose, lower hose, and it's not an automatic, so it should just come right on up out of there. I'm really hoping the AC condenser isn't gonna be in the way. See, this is the old Harmonic balancer. It's starting to delaminate and come apart. And you can see where all the oil is, and this has all been coming off. This was sitting on the back side of the Harmonic balancer. Guess what that was rubbing up against? So they had a belt that must have come apart on this Jeep, and it screwed the seal up really bad. So the seal itself is flat on the inside of there. I don't know if y'all can tell that, but there's only one little lip right there on the front. It's not really doing much. You can see where it's been flinging oil everywhere around. So we're going to get that pulled out, and then we're going to replace it in the next video. Yay! Alright guys, so that's going to do it for front seal removal. So on the next video, we're going to be putting it back together, everything. And I'll show you the special little treat that I'm putting on the intake manifold with the throttle body. Hope you guys liked it. Please like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you on the next one. See you later. Take care, number 1.